Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're Daires and Akilah of DIY Power Couple.
And today we are going to show you a little solution to a problem we had in our bathroom with the small kind of like toilet closet area.
Wait, you said small problems?
It was more a problem for hubby because he's larger.
I'm bigger and
the toilet area was small. So let me just show you some things that were going on. He was upset in the middle of the night when he would come in to use the restroom, and he was kicking everything out of the way.
Yeah, everything.
Wait. So we're gonna see if we can do some things to help it along to make it a little more roomier.
Yeah, I need more room.
All right, so let's get into it.
And this is for the fellas. So I'm sitting on my throne, and every time I'm sitting here, I got stuff all in the way.
Tell them what that does, honey.
Yeah, this is for my wife when she's sitting on the throne.
Yeah.
And you know,
it helps you go to the bathroom. And then we had this thing going.
And this right here is a toilet tissue holder.
And at first we thought it was really cool, and no, we don't think that anymore.
It's all in my way. I mean, this is in my way, that's in my way,
and show them how we were changing the toilet roll.
I'm tall and I need that foot room. I got some big feet here, and
then you broke it too.
Yeah, when I kicked it. Well, actually, I broke this because a bug was coming around here. I think it was like a spider. It came down here, so I was jamming it, trying to kill the spider. And I'm sure, some people can relate to that, trying to kill a bug in the middle of the night. And so now it's sideways, as you can see. Look at that.
It's just, we thought it would be nice because we could do left hand or right hand and stick it places. But this right here was starting to get on my nerves.
Yeah.
That right there.
Yeah, you have to take that off, and then, it just kind of...
try to put it back on.
And trying to put it on, it just takes a minute.
So
and I needed something different because I'm tired of coming into this small area. Look how small that is for me. I'm like,
Wait, let's see how it looks for me.
Yeah. Okay.
So when I come in, it's nice and cozy. Then I have my stool.
Yeah.
Yeah.
She's all extra happy and stuff.
It didn't bother me, but this right here, we're done with this.
Yeah, I'm definitely done.
So let's make this space a little nicer.
And it's old.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't even want to.
I think we washed it, and so the metal just kind of started rusting.
Okay, guys. So the first thing we're going to do is install the toilet paper holder. This is the pivoting arm toilet paper holder. And we installed one of these in our other bathroom. It is a Moen Caldwell collection, and the collection just allows you to match up your other fixtures with the same kind of style and design if you'd like that. So if you'd like to know like step by step how to install one of these, check out our videos. And for now, we're just gonna go ahead and install it. Well, have hubby install it.
Here you go, baby.
So guys, look, we replaced my old bathroom stool with this new one. And it was nice because a girlfriend told me about it. I asked her, what could I use? Because I wanted to have more space. That stool just was in front of the toilet. And so now I have this stool made out of bamboo. I wanted to share why this is so important to me. When you are in the position of using the restroom and you're in a squatting position where your knees are higher than your hips, it's supposed to make it easier for you to use the restroom. If you have any digestive issues or hemorrhoids, or you're pregnant, or you just want something to make it a little bit easier for you to go to the restroom, that's why a stool can come in handy, and I love mine. Hubby will really like it because we can fit it in that area and it won't take up a lot of space. And then he picked this out. It's a little LED light, motion censored lotion or soap container, but we're going to put sanitizer. And since we put the mirror up, we didn't have any more room for shelves in there because we were thinking, well, maybe we could put the shelves on the side, but you know how tight it is. So we're just going to add this. I have a little funnel. I'm going to put the hand sanitizer in, and then we'll check out how it looks and how it works. This is for everyone who has to share a restroom with their spouse. There's give and take. And this is what I was able to get, and this is what he liked. So you guys let me know what you think. So it's the moment of truth. We are going to try out how the toilet stool, the new one, fits with hubby on the throne.
Yeah.
All right, so
I'm gonna sit on the throne and put my feet.
I'm gonna put this in here.
Is that how you see? I usually don't use this. So
no.
Oh, you're just putting it underneath.
Is it in your way?
No, it's not in my way at the moment. No.
All right, so let me try. So I'm here. And I sit down, I can pull it back out. Are you blocking it? So hubby had one rule that I had to have.
And that rule is, make sure you just push it all the way so it actually hits the toilet. I want to hear that. Yeah, that's what I was waiting for right there. I want to wait for that. Oh, yep, I like that sound right there. I really like the way this LED light works at nighttime.
Yeah, I don't think it'll even come on.
It doesn't work in the daytime. It only works literally at night.
We'll show you. We have our mirror that we added to give us a little bit of depth. And then I got some toilet essentials. We're gonna put over here the plunger, it's just a matching plunger.
Yeah.
And then we have our new toilet holder, which is nice because it's higher than the other one, and it's on this side.
So since I'm tall, I like the fact that this right here goes above my knees.
Yeah, it's really nice. I was surprised at how just a small change like that and the height difference made it, just a little bit nicer in here.
Yeah, it's pretty nice.
So hubby likes it.
Yeah.
So babe, are we good now in the
as long as I hear that noise right there,
What noise?
The clinking right here. Let me see. That noise right there.
That means I pushed
You pushed it all the way back, so I'm not hitting it at nighttime. So.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what would you do in your toilet closet area if you have one? Or what ideas do you have for ours, seeing that we have this small space? We can't really knock out any walls.
Yeah, no walls, but look at this. Look how small it is. It's like that.
Just try to make this space a little bit nicer and welcoming, I guess, when you're using the bathroom.
Yeah. We wanted to thank all of our subscribers, and we want to thank all the new subscribers.
Welcome to the DIY Power Couple family.
Well, we want to continue to do projects that will be good for your home as well.
So make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you will be notified every time we finally put out a video.
Exactly.
So guys, thank you.
And remember, you can DIY too.
See you in the next video.